One of our Discord members downloaded a file, and within seconds, their account was gone. They came into our Discord asking for help, saying, I downloaded a virus and it hacked my password for Discord and they added 2FA so I can't change my password. Here's how this kind of hack actually works and how we were able to get their account back. And by the way, if something like this ever happens to you, we help people recover accounts and avoid this kind of stuff in our Discord. And if you know your way around this, you can help others too. Links in the description. When someone downloads a malicious file, it can install a program known as an information stealer, or better known as an info stealer. These are designed to quietly harvest sensitive data from the victim's computer, often without the user even noticing. Info stealers look for saved browser sessions, cookies, cached passwords, and login tokens. This means that if you're logged into Discord or other platforms, your session can already be active in the system. If you clicked Remember Me when logging in, the session token is saved permanently. But even temporary active sessions in memory can be stolen. The attacker doesn't even need your password. They can extract the token that Discord uses to verify your login. Once the token is stolen, the attacker can inject it into their own Discord client or browser, and this is where it gets worse. Discord sees it as a legitimate session, giving them full access to your account instantly, without ever entering your password. They can also steal your browser cookies and load them into their own browser, effectively turning it into a copy of your own. They can then access any account you're logged into without having to log in. Some info stealers will also monitor your system for files with stored credentials, including password managers and crypto wallets, or check for saved autofill forms in browsers. Once the malware has gathered these tokens and credentials, it sends them back to a server controlled by the attacker. Once inside the account, the hacker's first actions are always the same, and this is the part where most people completely lose access to the account. First, they change the email address of their target account. This ensures that the original owner cannot simply reset their password and regain access. If they don't have access to the victim's email account, they may just change the password and go to the next step, which is enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Now the hacker can completely lock you out of the account by requiring a code you don't have. This prevents immediate recovery and forces victims to go through Discord support. The scary part is how fast this can happen, sometimes within seconds of opening the malicious file. A single click can trigger a cascade of actions that lock you out of your account, compromise linked services, and even give the hacker access to your friends list and private servers. Discord accounts are particularly vulnerable to this kind of attack for several reasons. First, Discord relies on token-based authentication. Discord uses token-based systems to manage logins. Each session has a token that allows access without repeatedly asking for the password. Malicious programs can extract this token from your system and essentially become you on Discord. Once the attacker has the token, they can log in on another device without triggering a password prompt, which is why changing your password isn't always enough. Many Discord accounts are also tied to email addresses, phone numbers, or even linked to other social platforms. Once a hacker has your token, they can change the email and password, and if 2FA isn't yet enabled by the original owner, they can quickly secure the account before any recovery can begin. This can also create a loop where Discord's recovery team will refuse to help a victim due to policy, making it frustrating for the real user. A compromised Discord account can immediately be used to spread malware farther. Hackers can DM your friends with malicious links, post in servers, or even attempt scams. This increases the urgency of recovery because your compromise doesn't just affect your account, it puts everyone connected to you at risk. Once the hacker enables 2FA and changes the password, standard recovery methods become ineffective. The victim must show proof of ownership to Discord support, which can take hours or usually even days. During this window, attackers have full control and can use the account for further exploits. Unlike traditional password hacks, Discord token theft bypasses many conventional security measures. Even if you have a strong password, the attacker can be in instantly, making Discord's account recovery reliant on human verification rather than automatic resets. This is why malware that targets tokens is such a high-stakes threat. So recap, malware steals your token, the hacker logs in instantly, and then locks you out with 2FA. The best defense is prevention. Don't download files from untrusted sources, keep your antivirus updated, and never click suspicious links, even from people you know. And enable 2FA on your own account so hackers can't use it against you and lock you out. But if it's too late, go to the Discord support page, which is linked in the description below. Then you want to click sign in on the top right and create a Discord account. This is different from a normal Discord account. This is a Discord support account, so this is actually separate from your Discord account. Then go to the create ticket page, which is also linked in the description. And under what can we help you with, choose hacked account and fill out the form with your account information. Be sure to write a strong description. Don't just say, I got hacked. Explain when it happened, how it likely happened, whether your email or password was changed, if 2FA was enabled or bypassed, and exactly what you want Discord to do, like revert the email change or disable 2FA. Be sure to also attach proof that verifies account ownership to increase your chances of recovery. This includes old emails from Discord, payment receipts for Nitro or Boost, previous usernames or emails linked to the account, or other accounts that are linked to your Discord account, like Steam, Spotify, etc. Finally, be patient. Discord support can take several days to weeks. Do not submit multiple tickets. All it takes is one file, one click, and your entire account is gone. If you're not careful, you're next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want tips, help on recovering from a hack or a hacked account, or just want to hang out, join the Discord. Link in the description. Stay secure out there.